As the sun sets over the Australian outback, another 150-kilometre round trip is being completed, delivering potable water to a remote Indigenous community. This is a story of just one of hundreds of communities and more than 48,000 Australians relying on groundwater for water supply. Just like other Australians, they deserve access to clean drinking water that meets Australian drinking water guidelines. This story is one that demonstrates the potential for collaboration and innovation to close the gap on Aboriginal inequality.
So Gilghi is about 78 kilometres north of Alice Springs, and out at Gilghi the biggest issue that they had was not that they didn't have water, they had bore water, but that bore water, it smelt, it tasted terrible and it looked terrible.
Now as the sun rises, a new dawn emerges for Gilghi and for other remote outback communities, one in which they have ownership over their water supply, where the long-term sustainability of the water supply is guaranteed, where health outcomes are improved and employment opportunities have been created. Aurecon and AMP Control saw an opportunity to combine their engineering skills to remove a social inequality by applying renewable energy technology and next-generation power controls to provide clean drinking water, streamlining the water energy nexus.
So Gilghi is a solar-powered water treatment plant that is containerised with advanced filtration technology. So we tried to take the concept further to reduce energy consumption. So a big challenge faced by remote communities is their access to the power grid, which they don't have. We looked at making smart use of available solar power, which could also then be used to charge backup batteries, and the plant also has an emergency diesel backup generator.
So we wanted to challenge the traditional engineering design. Typically in water treatment, we design the process first and then think about the energy requirements. And in this project, we took both disciplines and came at it from both directions. We wanted to be able to use a sustainable power source to challenge the concept of needing to go to grid for our power. One of the really important aspects was around delivering to the Sustainable Development Goal number 6. Providing people with safe and reliable access to water and sanitation. So the other innovative feature of the modular design is that it can be fully constructed off-site. In this particular case, we were able to deliver this container to site, and it was able to be producing high-quality drinking water within 2 days.
As a result of the Gilghi unit being put in place at Gilghi, it provided a number of benefits. From having good, clean drinking water on site makes a lot of difference to a lot of people, and the communities benefit all around. The other positive out of putting the Gilghi unit out there was to remove the truck movements in and out of site. Now these are places where people live, so we've reduced those truck movements. And another benefit from this unit and the development through AMP Control and Aurecon is the fact that it's easily maintained. It is owned by the people out on the communities, it is their unit, but it can provide job opportunities as well.
There was a local artist, Kerry Priest, who commissioned this amazing piece of artwork for the side of our unit that really brings it to life for the local community, and in fact it's actually become a meeting place. And I think there's a really great opportunity for us to take this to other remote communities around Western Australia, Northern Territory, South Australia, and give them the opportunity for safe and reliable drinking water.
Since installing Gilghi in 2019, potable water is a reality for the people of Gilghi. But that's not the end of the story. As the sun sets in Gilghi, there are many more communities to go.